How to stop WhatsApp from saving photos. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. This is the WhatsApp settings page. Now, go over to Chats. Here, you need to make sure that the Save to Photos option is disabled. This automatically saves photos and videos you receive on WhatsApp to your phone gallery. Now, your photos will not be saved onto your phone unless you save them manually. You can change the setting anytime if you want your photos to automatically get saved to your phone gallery. Following these steps, you can easily stop WhatsApp from saving photos. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.